How do I revise my payment method on Amazon?
Hello there. Today, we are going to walk you through the process of revising your payment method on Amazon. Whether you want to change your existing card, update its details, or add a new one, we've got you covered. Knowing how to manage your payment options will enhance your Amazon shopping experience.
Why would you need to revise your payment method?
There are several reasons why you might need to revise your payment method on Amazon. It could be because your card expired, you want to add a new card, or perhaps you want to switch to a different payment type. This process is also essential when you have received a new card from your bank and need to update the card's details on your Amazon account.
How do you access your Amazon payment options?
To start revising your payment method, first, log into your Amazon account. Hover over Accounts and Lists on the top right of the Amazon homepage, and click on Your Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account page. On your account page, find the Payment Options section. This is where all your saved credit and debit cards, as well as other payment methods, are listed.
How to revise your existing payment method?
Once you're in the Payment Options section, you can make any necessary revisions to your existing payment methods. To update a card, find the card you wish to update and click on Edit. You can now modify the card number, expiration date, or billing address. To delete a card, find the card you wish to remove and click on Remove. Please note that these changes will reflect across all Amazon services that you use.
How to add a new payment method?
In the same Payment Options section, click on Add a Card. You can enter the new card's details, including the card number, holder's name, expiration date, and billing address. After entering these details, click on Add Your Card to save it. This card will now be available for you to use on Amazon. That's it. You now know how to revise your payment method on Amazon. By keeping your payment options updated, you'll ensure a smooth and convenient shopping experience. Remember, keeping your payment information secure is paramount, so only make these changes on devices you trust. We hope this video has been helpful, and happy shopping!